So what's the difference between a 5 amp 18 volt XR dewalt battery and an XR Flexvolt 18 volt 9 amp battery? First of all is the type of cells that's used. Both Samsung, both different sizes physically. The XR Ordinary uses an 18650 cell, 25R, and the Flexvolt uses a 21700 30T. So that's a 3000 milliamp cell, and that's a 2500 milliamp cell. There's 10 of these cells in that, and there's 15 of these cells in that. This one's got circuitry to switch it from 18 volt to 54 volt, depending what tool you're using. The 54 volt tool has got something to push on these slides, and that changes the internal circuitry, so it's putting out 54 volt instead of 18. But what's not shouted from the rooftops is when that's 18 volt, it's 9 ampere, but when that's 54 volt, it's 3 ampere, because you're still using the same number of cells, they're just wired different.